Welcome to MathCast April 2021. The intended audience is for 4th grade students. The learning objective is to recognize lines of symmetry for given two-dimensional figures, identify lines of symmetric figures, and draw lines of symmetry. Let's explore symmetrical figures and lines of symmetry. Here we have an image of a heart. You can fold the heart perfectly in half. Using a straight edge, you can record the line created by the fold. One half of the heart can completely cover the other half. When we can fold an image along a line and both halves match exactly, this line is called the line of symmetry. A square can be folded 4 different ways and the sides will be matched perfectly each time. A trapezoid has only one fold where both sides match. So how many folds do you think a circle will make? A circle is a set of points that are the same distance from the center point. This special attribute of a circle allows it to have an infinite number of folds that go through its center point. A rectangle can only be folded 2 ways so that the sides match up. We can try to fold it diagonally, but this will not work because 2 of its sides are longer than the other 2 sides. Let's work together and circle the figures that have a correct line of symmetry drawn.